Well, hello again, YouTube. AJ Shaver here, and from my family to yours, we wish you a happy Thanksgiving, and wanted to do a couple sale items here for you, whether that's for Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, or Cyber Monday, or until they disappear from my wood yard to yours. We'll offer the same pricing, but to my left is a new 120. Behind me is also a new 120. And over here to my right is a used 120. It's very rare that I have three 120s around because we have done, it's such a great budget piece, but we've done a bunch of 150 sales this year. It's kind of rare that we've been rolling through the bigger units. These 120s definitely get the job done. They're pretty budget friendly. I'll get in more detail here, but the used one is really nice. I actually had to do a double take on it, whether that was a new one or a used one, because it looks so good. So let me grab that camera and do a quick walk around on these so you can see them, and I'll tell you all about it. Stay tuned. All right, so like I said, we'll start over here with the used unit. All of these are going to be sold with the 4-way in it. The 120 basically needs 15.5 gallons a minute, 2850 psi, and a case drain to run them. So I always put the base spec out there for like a 16-inch maximum diameter, because if you can't get a good hold on the wood with that grabber arm right here, it's just going to skid past and you're going to be frustrated. So I would rather under promise and over deliver. There is like 20 inches worth of usable cutting space on the bar. If you've seen any of our videos, I have been picking up the big 24 footers, bucking them in half, process the half that we're holding, and then go back after the piece that we cut off. So that is an option. The biggest differences from the 120 into the bigger models is really the saw motor, the cylinder, the grabber arm, and what I call the pusher plate. The distance from where the wood sits on top of the table to the I-beam. This area right here, this square, is basically the pusher plate. So if you're going, that's like 6 inches tall. On the other units, you're about 12 inches tall. So it's really double. You can use a 6-way, but you've got to leave it set pretty low on the I-beam to really utilize it. But it can be done. We have a lot of customers that do it. It's just easier on the bigger units, that's all. So this used unit came in from New York. Mr. Joe had this one. It was barn kept when he wasn't using it. Again, 4-way. It'll ship out with the 14-pin plug. We do have the optional in-cab harness that you've seen us use here on the channel. So this unit we are asking, it's on sale from $9,500 to $9,000, picked up here in Dallas, Pennsylvania. We've got video of this one running over on the YouTube channel. I think I did it both on the Toolcat there that you see in the background, as well as the new SK1550 from Ditch Witch. Got a handful of saw chains that will travel with this as well. So again, on sale from $9,500 to $9,000. And now we'll move on to the new units. I always like opening these up because there's just some people that can't wrap their head around how the saw bar cuts and how the round gets split, because when it's all closed up on the pallet like this one, especially at the shows when people don't really know a whole lot about these, they see that and it's like the first question they ask is like, how do you cut the round without destroying the table? Well, when you open it up like this, it's really easy. So this one's never seen wood. They've both never seen wood, actually. I just took the pallet off of this one just so we could open it up and show you what it looks like. So factory standard retail pricing is $11,850 with the 4-way and the 14-pin. I'm going to do $1,000 off of each of these and offer them for $10,850. And again, that's going to be picked up here at my wood yard in Dallas, Pennsylvania, 18612. And so, yeah, brand spiffy new, 6-month factory warranty on either unit. Not going to do anything with the warranty on that one because it's used. That's why it's $9,000 versus $11,850. So again, just the 15 gallons a minute, 2850 psi or more, and that case drain. So when it all couples together, you have everything that looks like this going in. So alrighty, let me put this back in the camera. We'll close this one out because I have some used brute force stuff here that came in from Maryland. All right, so like I said, we're going to make this deal last, whether it's Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, or Cyber Monday, and pretty much going to carry it right through until they sell off the woodyard here. So hopefully they don't last too long. But again, regular, normal, everyday retail pricing on a Halverson 120 is $11,850. We will do these for $1,000 off if you pick them up here in my woodyard located in Dallas, Pennsylvania, 18612. And we will sell them for $10,850. That way you get a little bit of a savings here at the end of the year. Hopefully it fits into your budget. If the $10,850 number doesn't, we have the used unit. Nothing wrong with it. You've seen it used here. We powered it by the Toolcat and the Ditch Witch 1550. So everything makes little pieces out of big pieces. If I didn't say it, it's $9,000 for the used unit. They all work really, really well. I already mentioned the specs and different things on them. So give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And some of the things that we have, actually everything that we have, is featured over on the website, shaverequipment.com. Then you can see everything work here a little bit further down in the YouTube channel. And just because I'm feeling extra gracious, if you didn't want the 120 and you wanted the 140, the 150, or even the big 160, I will give you a $1,000 credit towards shipping on any one of the other 3 units. So I'll go ahead and throw the pricing out. The 140B retails for $17,600. The 150 retails for $22,800. And the big 160, depending on which wedge package we do with it, is around like that $37,000 marker. And I will throw in a $1,000 credit on any one of those 3 for shipping if we happen to be lucky enough to earn your business with that quote. So again, give me a phone call, shoot me an email. Do not eat too much turkey on this Thanksgiving day. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and remember to always hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. We'll see you next time.